All right, welcome to day number 90 of this 100-day video challenge. And as I've told you yesterday, I got a drone, the Mavic Mini, and did a few test shots. And this is the first video I did with the drone. So testing out some of the basic features, going up a few meters, a few feet, see what I can see around with the camera and how to control the camera, how to control the drone itself, and it's just loads of fun to experiment with this. So I tilted the camera. I have to get used to how the camera is actually focusing or changing some of the camera settings during flight, and yeah, it'll be a fun experiment to get to know this drone a little better. So these are some images. I was out in the woods to not disturb anybody, and yeah, it was loads of fun. So see you next time. Bye bye.